Okay, I'm always going on about how my Asko dishwasher is so quiet. Well, gonna put a little cascade in the thing there. Close this up. And raise this up. And yeah. I'm running the hot water so that when I actually start the dishwasher, the water that flows into it will be maximum hot. And that's it. So we press the start button on the dishwasher. And are you ready? There it goes. It started. We'll let it run all the way until it's filled with water. Asko, made in Sweden. Yeah, it's been filling up with water for like 30 seconds. And what? That's it, it's done. And now I'm talking. And you can hear that something's happening. Yeah. That's about as loud as it ever gets. It's in the middle of its wash, whatever cycle, but it's squirting the water around. It's doing whatever it does. Ooh, and it just got quieter in here because the refrigerator compressor went off. Okay. Still washing dishes. Let's get really close. Pretty quiet. Very, very quiet. Okay, so it's been going for a couple of minutes now, that's all. But I thought, how am I going to get people to understand how loud this is? You're probably thinking that, I've turned the volume down or whatever. How about if I turn on an ordinary tap? And now I move back. So the water's running in the sink, and it almost, but not quite, covers up the sound of the dishwasher.